to all. Today I am going to discuss about the palindromic words. Palindromic words can come in forward words and backward words. For example, race car, R-A-C-E-C-A-R, race car. It was come in forward, in backward, R-A-C-E-C-A-R, race car. Thank you.
Good evening to all. Now, today we are going to discuss about palindromic word. Forward word, backward word, Malayalam, M-A-L-A-Y-A-L-A-M. Backward word, Malayalam, M-A-L-A-Y-A-L-A-M. L-E-V-E-N, level. Backward, L-E